So hi, this is a homemade drum composter I made. I looked at some videos of commercially available products. I had a carpenter doing some work in the house, so I thought let me try and get it made. I looked up a few examples of what people have done. Also, there are some sites that give you some details about how you can make something like this. So it's fairly simple. You make a frame, and basically the A-frame on both sides. You uh, you take a drum, make lots of holes in it, make a window in it with latches and all. Then you put it on a structure like this so that can take the load. I've got wheels here to also take the load. Now this is homemade, so there it will not be as fine as a commercial product, but otherwise it works fairly well. The A-frame takes the load. It can take the support, and the wheels also help in providing some more support. What else? So it's mounted using these. This steel rod has been drilled, has gone through the entire structure. It's mounted on these braces. There is this bolt here to prevent it from moving, and it runs on both sides. So you just fill in stuff. Then you latch it, and from time to time you will turn it like this. And I think what this does is, so this is the first time I'm making something like this, but over a period of time, the holes for air, the movement which turns it, all of that should provide good homemade compost in an accelerated period of time, which is what I need. I rarely buy vermicompost from outside. Sometimes when season changes and you have to do a lot more plant changing or resetting of your planters, then I would buy some, but otherwise I use homemade compost, and I was typically using buckets with holes in them, something like this. But this one should provide a much better quantity, and it will do faster. You're turning it, you're providing holes, and in this case I'm also ensuring the ratio of greens and the browns are adequate. Okay, that's it. I'll let you know over a period of time how this works out. This was just made day before yesterday, first time I'm using it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and put a like on the video. That will help a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you.